Dayton, Ohio, Bill left. He saw Friday Night Shot Show all over the country. Matter of fact, just 2 weeks ago, Bill was out in San Diego, California, Marine Corps Air Station Miramar. Listen, you'll hear a big growl. The engine has a nice low rumble, but those propeller tips really give it a snap. Hey, about 2,300 RPM, is that what it was?
2250. Really cranking.
Yes, sir, buddy. 600 horsepower, 5,500 pounds, just some of the most important airplane ever built. Fly the same kind of pattern that he would as if he were landing on the deck of a carrier. It is the job of a naval aviator to land his or her aircraft in a spot not much larger than your driveway, getting it stopped from 140 knots, or about 158 miles per hour, down to stopping in just about 300 to 400 feet. What we're going to see right now is the practice that every pilot does when he or she touches down on the deck of the carrier, and that's to shove the throttles forward to full military power just in case the tail hook does not grab one of the 4 wires that are stretched across the carrier deck. Precise power changes are being made now. The tail hook is up, no wires on this, but let's watch him as he touches down and quickly shoves the throttle forward as the landing signal officer says, "Bolter, bolter, bolter." Look there, you can see the glow in the tailpipe. That means the afterburners are on. The throttles have been shoved all the way past military to a fight or out of a fight very, very quickly. Now watch for the break again, right over show center. That are powering the FA-18 Hornet give him over 36,000 pounds of thrust. Education, advocacy, and service. The American Cancer Society has a presence in more than 3,400 communities across the country and is the only organization available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, to help people touched by cancer. ACS, the American Cancer Society, is the nation's only 24-hour cancer hotline, is at 1-800-ACS-2345.
We are very happy today to present to you the Eyes of the Fleet, the E-2C Hawkeye.
Fine.
Check 1, 2, there we go. the P-51 Mustang. Here comes Dale Snodgrass again, going right by the F-15E Strike Eagle. That, ladies and gentlemen, is one of the lowest passes you will ever, anything he can get his hands on. And I just wanted you to have a chance to hear the incredible sound of this Merlin engine. There's the 8-point hesitation rule. This laminar flow wing had a similar upper camber and lower camber or shape to the wing. Made it a very, very fast wing. And this is the wing design that went on that Mustang that was first produced for the Royal Air Force for Great Britain in World War II. British, I'm going to be quiet, let you listen again. Within about 10 feet of the ground. One of the unique design characteristics of the engine, not only is it a liquid-cooled engine, like with a radiator like we have in our cars, but the radiator scoop is located back behind the cockpit on the bottom of the aircraft. It was thought that it would cause a lot of drag. But amazingly, that radiator scoop and the flow through of the air through that radiator scoop and out the back actually caused a little bit of jet thrust, known as the Meredith effect, and it actually helped the airplane go faster. Landing right now, ladies and gentlemen, a nice round of applause for United States Navy Captain Retired Dale Snodgrass. Now there you see Dan McHugh from York, Maine, former Delta Airlines captain.